absolutely scared me.
Line extending from 20 nautical miles west of St. Simon's Island to 42 nautical miles west of Jekyll Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Radar at 1:44 p.m. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 20 nautical miles west of St. Simon's Island to 42 nautical miles. High Point, buoy F, Jekyll Island, buoy CTH, St. Simon's Island Village, St. Simon's Island, St. Andrews Sound, buoy KBY, Dungeness, St. Mary's Entrance buoy 16, St. Simon's Sound buoy 9, and Cumberland Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type I life jackets.
Why did you activate for a requirement? Yes!
Including batteries on handheld radios for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Altamaha Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Altamaha Sound, Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles.
There's the N and N.
Sunrise and sunset information for Jacksonville. Sunrise Wednesday at 7:11. Sunset Wednesday at 5:26. Sunrise Thursday at 9 miles. Sunset Thursday at 5:26. You're listening to your weather radio, the voice of the National Weather Service.
I called it! I called it! I called this morning! I called the second warning!
Northwestern Baker County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Columbia County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Belmont, or 13 miles northeast of White Springs.
I called this morning!
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will
Here they go!
rural areas of northwestern Baker and northeastern Columbia counties. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Northwestern Baker County, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties. In Florida, Baker and Columbia. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Belmont, or 13 miles northeast of White Springs. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Tornado. Source, Central Florida, serving northeast Florida and the eastern coastal waters.
I called it!
Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The current time is thunderstorm.
I knew it!
NOAA Weather Radio station is appreciated most move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a surrounding area. Jacksonville, partly sunny, 79 degrees.
In a mobile home.
West at 15 miles an hour. Gainesville, partly sunny, 80. Wind southwest at 13 gusting to 24. Ocala, partly sunny, 79. Wind southwest at 13. Baker and Columbia. St. Augustine, partly sunny, 78. Wind southwest at 12. Tallahassee, with light rain and fog, 70. Wind northwest at 10.
Thank you.
Special marine warning!
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Altamaha Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamaha Sound, Georgia to Fernandina
Stay safe,
Beach, Florida,
people.
from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:15 p.m. At 3:13 a.m., strong thunderstorms will be a special marine warning for coastal waters from Altamaha Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamaha Sound, Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Here's the I love.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. They don't better not do a double-header tornado warning.
A special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Altamaha down to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Altamaha down Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Altamaha down to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Altamaha down Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles.
339, you won't be able to get it.
Southwestern Clay County in northeastern Florida until 7:45 p.m.
I'm getting this. I'm getting this.
Severe thunderstorm was located over San Francisco start, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Oh my gosh!
50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source:
It should have been a TLR.
No, it shouldn't.
damaged roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stark, Keystone.
Oh! That was the one I was just talking about earlier!
Exactly.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous
Let's see if I can get this on the oh shoot.
Save now, and you get an additional 50% off the first month, and you will save on a new phone.
Remember,
We get this on 94.1.
to be struck by
That's up to $2,000.
repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Florida. With this storm,
Here's 94.1.
lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Wait, what station is
Remember,
that?
if you can hear thunder, you are close.
94.1 WSOS.
Repeating,
That's
a severe
probably too late.
thunderstorm
Wait,
warning
let's
has
look
been
for another
issued until
station.
5:45 p.m.
What?
for the following counties.
I'm gonna look for another station.
24 hours a day.
You can't get KHB 39. They don't have a stream for it. There you go, the special marine warning!
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service
That's right. Everyone mute.
Special marine warning.
from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach,
Yeah.
Florida, out 20
There goes the end deck.
from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8 p.m. 55 p.m.
Turn it off.
Strong thunderstorm was located near Crescent
All right.
11 nautical miles southeast of St. Augustine, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, St. George's Reef, Palm Coast, and St. Augustine. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USC approved Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, St. George's Reef, Palm Coast, and St. Augustine harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, out 60 nautical miles. The surf zone forecast. Today, with current risk low.
All right, now the index.
Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, out 60 nautical miles. Water temperature 62 to 67. Weather partly sunny.
Hey everybody, this is SPC Weather Radio 476 here, and as I am editing, a public information statement got issued about a tornado yesterday, and this was a severe thunderstorm warning. I believe that was EAS number 43. Yeah, it was EAS number 43, and if the people who I was on with the StreamYard, if you guys are watching this, there was a tornado on the ground, but it was severe thunderstorm because it was severe thunderstorm warned. So the severe thunderstorm warning was issued for the area with potential for brief and isolated tornadoes. So, yeah, there was a debris ball. So a tornado was on the ground. No injuries or fatalities, but there was a debris ball, a CC drop. So this thing was issued as I was editing. And yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos or content. Well, videos, content, whatever. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a great day or good night.